Welcome back, guys. In this video, we'll be installing this warning and welcome door light. They do come with the 2835 SMD LEDs. These are waterproof and very easy to connect. The LEDs are half red and half white. The red LEDs are actually have a strobing function. That way it has anti-collision features. I'll be installing these in a Toyota Prius. Now let's get to the install. So the game plan is to run the wire from here all the way under and tap into this door light for the power source. As always, every time we are going to use 3M adhesive tape, we're going to rub and clean everything with rubbing alcohol. What that does, it gets rid of all the dirt and grease, and that way the 3M can stick better. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and splice this wire a little bit just so I can have a longer strip to play with. That's all I did. Basically just strip the wire just a little bit. So next, I'm gonna go ahead and pry out this cover just like that and go ahead and unplug the harness. This is where we're gonna get the power source from. Now I'm gonna go ahead and remove the backing of the 3M tape and just stick it along the edges there. That's how it looks when it's all stuck. Then I'm gonna go ahead and stick this in and push this wire behind the panel here. And then we're gonna try and fish it and grab it through here. So here's the connection. All I did was pushed it through from the back. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put some electrical tape to secure it. Now that the wiring is cleaned up, I'm gonna go ahead and plug the light back on. There you go. And just pop it into place. And let's see how it works. All right, here we go. We open the door. There you have it. We have the red strobing feature and the white welcome light. So it's just that simple, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and repeat those steps on the passenger side, and I'll show you how it looks at night. So I do have a lot more lighting mods in my channel. So if you haven't done so already, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. When the door opens, the red light starts flashing, warning the rear pedestrians or vehicle to avoid any accident or collision. When the light stays bright, it acts like a puddle or welcome light. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.